Hello everyone and welcome to Merchiston Castle School. Ippity bippity bop.
So we're in one of the key exhibitions regarding
You're welcome.
Homecoming. After 3 years of the epidemic, the teachers and children of Merchiston International School in Shenzhen returned to their mother school in Edinburgh. It is a school trip full of joy. It is a route-seeking journey with love.
I'm pretty sure those kids from Merchiston High School are so lucky to have such an opportunity to come to UK and feel its culture at such young age. And with such opportunity, they will be able to have a passion and positive changes on their future studies as well as future changes.
For many years, British boarding schools have done summer camps for students on their campuses. The idea behind this is that students from Europe and the world can come and visit these British boarding schools and attend language classes to improve their English.
myself and Mr. Billy and Mr. Fei will give you any answers to questions.
When I went there, there were a lot of culture and history. I loved the collections that they had there, and me and my friends took a lot of photos there.
On these sorts of camps, there are always cultural trips every afternoon. So particularly in Merchiston, Edinburgh.
Ippity bippity bop, ippity bippity bop, ippity bippity. That was good, that was very good. Ippity bippity bop. Oh, too slow.
It is also a really good way, and I'm so pleased that now we have our first camp from Merchiston International School at Merchiston, Edinburgh.
Elephant.
The in the first movie is the grand staircase and the entrance to the dining hall just inside.
I would definitely recommend my classmates or friends to come here next year at the summer camp. It's really enjoying and it's exciting. There's a lot of freedom and it's very fun.
I make 2 friends from Italy and they're very kind and we become friends now.
In Edinburgh, we went to the Royal Mile Street, the National Museum of Scotland, the National Gallery of Scotland, and also the Edinburgh Building. As a group leader, I can tell how excited the students enjoy the MIS summer camp in the UK.
So to me, this is an amazing 2 weeks for these young people. And then I understand there's been a second camp from MIS this summer in Oxford and Cambridge. What an extraordinary occurrence it is to see these camps happening from the MIS students coming to the UK, Merchiston Castle School, Edinburgh, London, and also Oxford and Cambridge.
Well done. Alessandra Bucci.
During the 2-week route-seeking trip, a seed of communication with the world was quietly planted in the children's hearts, becoming a link between their mother school and MIS Shenzhen. The qualities of cooperation and international-minded have been deeply imprinted in their hearts, and these qualities that benefit a lifetime will also influence their future life, helping them grow up to be a qualified global citizen as soon as possible.